shaking, team? You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG, back with another one on that ass, as y'all can see. Booyah. Says it all for itself. So, I actually went with some better sanding paper than actually came with the kit. But everything else in the kit is solid. Just got some better sanding paper. So, starting with the 1000. Well, first off, I got my soap, water. I already wiped it down, wiped it off, used a shop towel, cleaned it off with the soap and water for starters, and then I'm coming in with the 1000 to start sanding it down. Let's go. Alright, team, so just finished hitting it with the 1000 grit, soap and water, got it nice and hazy. I'm about to come back now, some more soap and water, but now I'm gonna hit it with 2000. Let's go. Finished product, team, just hitting it with the Meguiars and really going at it with some elbow grease and some 1000 and 2000 grit sandpaper, man. Get your headlights looking new, you know what I mean? Got my drill, polish it out, that definitely helps. Keep it looking fresh, so you know, man, crazy. Over here, part 2, let's go. Just wanted to go over a quick detail joint that I really didn't get when I was outside, being I was kind of in a rush, a lot of people around and shit. I just wanted to get that joint done. Booyah. So this is what we're going to be using to get the headlights clear. All right, this is going to help once you're ready to polish, and you add this little buffer that they have, a little polisher to the joint. This is why I say you're definitely going to need a drill, because this has an attachment on the back. So don't get me wrong, it's nice little fabric joint. It's a good look. It does a good job, you know, not even gonna hold y'all, it does a good job. I mean, I had this kit for a minute, and you know, definitely got to hit my headlights a little bit more often. But yes, we're going to put about a nickel to a quarter size of this on the application pad, and wipe the whole headlight down, or put it around the headlight sparingly to a degree, and then we're gonna, you know, just buff the fuck out of the shit. Use a pad. Y'all seen I have my Milwaukee drill. After you get it buff clean the way you like it, wow, that's the sealant. Lock it all in. You know what I mean? Everything Gucci. So, yeah. Just wanted to give y'all that. Alright, so done deal, team. You already know. Bust it out. You see the joints on here. We looking fresh. You know what I mean? Real spiffy. Let me give y'all a quick before and after. That's the job well done. Always fucks with the Meguiars. You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You already know. Abuse VQ team. Stay in the loop.